In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Creative Cloud on your PC, laptop, or Mac using Adobe's free trial offer. First, open the link provided in the description below. This will take you to Adobe's official website. Select your country and click on Start Free Trial. Next, you'll see two options, Individual and Business. If you're using Adobe on a single device, choose the individual plan. If you need access for multiple devices or a team, you can select the business plan. For this tutorial, I'll choose the individual plan. With this option, you'll get a 14-day free trial of Adobe Creative Cloud apps, along with a 30-day free trial of Adobe Stock. Select your preferred plan and click Continue. Now, enter your email address and click Continue. After that, fill in the required information, including your credit or debit card details. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the free trial period ends. Once you've completed the form, click Agree and subscribe. You'll then be asked to create a password for your Adobe account. Next, open the second link in the description and download the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application. Install the app and sign in using the same email address you used during registration. After logging in, open the Creative Cloud app, and you'll be able to browse, download, and install all available Adobe applications. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.